Weather bulletin. For the following counties, Columbiana, Ohio, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Beaver, Butler and Lawrence, and Hancock, West Virginia.
Wow, this scared me.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, Columbiana County in east central Ohio, Carroll County in east central Ohio, northeastern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, southwestern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, southwestern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northern Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:23 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Navarre to near Boardman, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Weather bulletin. Hazard. Wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source. Radar. Impact. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include New Castle, Salem, East Liverpool, Beaver Falls, Columbiana, Minnetonka, East Palestine, Wellsville, Carrollton, Elwood City, New Brighton, Beaver. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 1 and 24. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 89 and 94. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 83 and 88. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 31 and 40. Tornadoes can develop unexpectedly from severe thunderstorms.
Uh-oh, tornado
If
possible.
a tornado is reported, move to a basement or small, central room in a sturdy structure. Large hail has been reported. Seek shelter indoors immediately and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling Liverpool, Beaver Falls, Columbiana, Minnetonka, East Palestine, Wellsville, Carrollton, Elwood City. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 1 and 24. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 89 and 94. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 83 and 88. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 31 and 40. Tornadoes can develop unexpectedly from severe thunderstorms. If a tornado is reported, move to a basement or small, central room in a sturdy structure. Large hail has been reported. Seek shelter indoors immediately and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling.
Well, that happened. Message got cut off. Well, guys, another SVR. This is going to be a very interesting night.